I'm gonna show y'all how to change the cabin filter in a Lexus LS 460. Now I picked this up from Amazon right here. This cabin filter right here was only $10 and like 40 cents off Amazon. The first thing you want to do, you want to go in your glove box right here. Open your glove box up. Get this tray here. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but just pick this tray. Just pick it straight up. Pick it up, pull it out. Simple as that. Come straight out. Alright. Then you have another little black tray up in here. You can just take your fingernails and just lift it up like that, and just pull that straight out. If you can see it, just pull it out. It got a little lip, might hang up on that little lip right here. You can just pull it out. It comes straight out. All right, so your cabin filter sits inside there. If you see that little white place right here where you can't get to the filter, come over here to your control panel and hit it right here. Take it off fresh out, hit it onto that, and you'll see the lip come up. I'm gonna show you again. Once I hit it, that's closed. You see it come up. Hit that button right there, hit it, and it'll pop up. Once that pop up's right there, take the little filter, got a little clip right here, push that in. Trying to do it one hand, push that in, push this one in. Push both of them in like that, and it'll pop up. You can just pull the cabin filter out. Look how dirty that damn thing is. That filter been in here since 08. It's an 08 Lex. Look at that. You get your new one. And the only reason I was changing this thing because when I kept getting a lot of damn noise from the actual fan. You can hear it. I mean, it was like humming loud. So that's why I decided to change it. And you got filters on your seat too. And I'll come back later and show y'all the video and change the filters on the seat. And like I said, this is the LS 460. It's a 08. I know the camera is wet, but I'm trying to do it with one hand. I'm gonna pause it for a minute. All right, now you got your filter like this. Just kind of pull this out right here from the side. You'll see the filter come loose like that. Real simple. Take that out. Look at all the dirt in that damn thing. Got it run like a brand new one. All right. And you just take your new filter, slide that joke up in there. I should have got somebody to fend it for me, but nevertheless, stick it in there. And I'm doing this one-handed. I'm trying to film it. That filter up in there. Make sure you got it up in there good. A little bit too far. There you go. See, it's back in there good. Make sure you got that little flap. It say right there, you see the word up. As far as go up, stick it right back in there. Back in place. Snap everything back down. Take this little thing, make sure the little clips down right there. Stick them back in there. All the way down to the bottom. Might get pinched at the top. Stick the little ends in. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Y'all get the point. Make sure that little part that's behind it. There you go. Like that. Hold on. Yeah, I got that back in there. I'll put this tray back in. The tray just sits right back in that hole right there. Snap back in place. That's it. Turn it on and see what we got. Nice fresh air. Hit me up if you got any questions.